So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me behind the camera. That's right. This just came. I just grabbed it from my porch. So it is the Macy's Beauty Box for April 2022. If you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes, guys, we are back. Now, I apologize for not being on camera, but I wanted to get this up really quick, and my makeup takes a little while. And yes, I could have came on bare face, but I'm guessing you guys are a little tired of that. Anyway, I want to do my makeup today. I have a couple of things I need to film, but the Macy's Beauty Box has arrived, and it got here pretty early, I guess. So I'm very happy about that. But if you are new here, I want to say hello. My name is Stephanie, although I know you can't see me. Please check out many of my other videos where you do see my face. This is a beauty channel where we do all things beauty, but in a real life way. Real life beauty. Where mistakes happen and we roll with it. I don't always get the perfect eye look, but we roll with that too. I mean, I'm learning, you know, and perfect, yeah, that's not a thing. I mean, if it looks good to me, then it's good enough for me. So, Macy's Beauty Box, month of April. If you don't know about Macy's Beauty Box, I will tell you. Sorry for this shaky camera. It is a $15 subscription. With tax, it is $15.60, and shipping is free. You will get a various amount of products, anywhere from, I want to say, 5 to 8 products. And yeah, it's sometimes deluxe, sometimes full size. Then, of course, we have our sample size. You will always get a card going over the products in the subscription. In the pamphlet, you will see right here the listings and a little something about that. You will always see a card also attached. If I could pick it up. Oh my gosh, Steph, get it together. Sorry, guys, I'm drinking my coffee now. You always get a card right here. It's $10 off, $5 off, depends. $10 is the highest I've seen it, but you can use that. I always wait till there's like a sale, and if I can use it, I will. Yeah, let's get into it. Everything comes in a tamale like this. That's what I call it. Pink paper. We do have a product on the outside, so we'll go over that in a second. Let me go ahead and unwrap this. When I say a lot of pink paper, guys, I'm not kidding. All right, so let's see. The first thing I see here is Body Fit. This is a little tiny guy. This is from Clarins. Let's see what it says in the booklet. I'm going to try and read through the camera. It says Clarins Body Fit Anti-Cellulite Contouring Expert. Okay. So for, I guess, the bumps and the lumps, it's supposed to take that away, but it's such a tiny little guy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an award winning in our midst. Meet Clarins' #1 firming launch in 2017. A cream-like gel instantly absorbs to lift and firm your hips, thighs, and I'm assuming the butt, and that doesn't say it, I did. Powered by Mother Nature herself. Okay, retail value of the full size is $71. Wow, that's a lot for a cream. All right, comment down below. Do you guys think that those kind of creams work? I've never tried one before, so I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It's a little bitty guy, and when I say little bitty, guys, I'm talking like little bitty, my thumb size, that's right. But yeah, so I don't know if this is really enough to try to see if it works, but I guess if you target like one little specific spot, maybe, you know. All right, so there we have that. Like I said, $71. Oh, what I did forget to mention is when you do all the calculations and you divide and you subtract and you add and multiply the sizes of these products versus the full size, you will get a retail value of $22.32. Usually it's much higher than that. April showers is the theme for this box. So the next thing I see here is, oh, I'm very happy to get this. I got this in my Whole Foods bag, which, by the way, somewhere in here is an announcement to that giveaway. Congratulations to that winner in advance. Okay, so this is the nail polish remover from Mineral Fusion. Always happy to get this because it really makes your nails like, they kind of feel moisturized compared to acetone or even the ones that are for like gel nails and stuff. So yeah, liking that. So the retail value for it is $11.99. That's the only thing I don't like about the Macy's box is they don't tell you what the full size, like how much that is. You have to look that up on your own. Now this guy is very familiar. This is the Rituals of Sakura. This is the I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the Sensational Foaming Shower Gel. It is rice milk and cherry blossom. I tried this and I had an immediate reaction to it, like little red bumps. So yes, this will be going in a giveaway, maybe on one of our Win It With This Wednesdays or something, which I do have one of those guys coming up. Yay, yay. The sad thing about this, guys, is I really do like the smell of it. I just can't. Yeah, it just doesn't agree with my skin. So the retail value of the full size of this is $12.60. Not super crazy expensive because the full size is quite big. I did have a full size before. The next thing I see here is I Am Red Wine. Ooh, red wine sheet mask. Okay, so what does this do for us? Let's go to the book. It says sometimes at the end of a long day, you just put your feet up and crack open a packet of your favorite red wine mask. Am I right? Well, that would probably be a first for me, but okay. Really though, red wine extract reduces appearance of enlarged pores, while an enriched essence of skin goodness gives you maximum hydration. So that's what I need. $3 is the retail value for that, may I ask. And then we have this little guy, Mary Badescu. I like Mary Badescu. This is coconut body scrub. Now I can probably use it on my body because it doesn't really give me any reactions on my body skin. That's very weird, I know. But on my face, yeah, I can't use it. But this is pretty cool. So this is for softer, smoother skin. It's a scrub, like, you know, a body scrub. So that's really explanatory, I guess. And then what is the full size amount for this? So it's $18 for full size. Again, not sure what the full size is. Sorry about that. And then the last, nope, not the last. The next to the last thing I see here, this is Clean Classic Skin. It is a perfume, or at least that's what it says here. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like a perfume. So look at this, guys. First of all, let me show you the thing. I like that. I like when they have this little plastic thing in there. That's so better than it like slipping down. Because a lot of times with the other ones, the holders, yeah, they fall out. I've picked them up and they've fallen out and broken right at my feet. So that's terrible. This is Clean Fragrance Classic Rain Spray. And the retail value for a full size, I guess, is $44. Okay, so that's not bad for a perfume. Holy moly. But what does it smell like? Let's see what the notes are. It says, the soft scent of rain in a bottle. Don't mind if we do. Oh, that's cute. Look at play on words. Water, mint, and melon. Ooh, okay, I gotta spray this, guys. Hold on. Okay, I must say, this smells really good. It's so fresh. It really does smell like rain with just a little hint of melon on it. I really like this. I like this a lot. And it's only $44 for a full size. Yeah, this may be my new daytime scent. Loving that. Okay, so the last thing in the box is, and I don't know how I feel about this, a shower cap. Guys, I never use a shower cap. It says created specially for Macy's. I don't want to open this, guys. It's a shower cap. Let's just see what it says about it in the book. Here's a picture of it on the front. So that's what it looks like. Your average shower cap, I guess. And it doesn't say anything about it in the book. See, there's nothing listed. See all the products? I mean, it's there in the picture, but it's definitely not there in the pamphlet. Okay, so I don't know how much that is. I can only guess. I am sorry. I am trying to use my hand that I should not be using. I should be opening it with this, trying to hold the camera. Much better. Oh, that feels so much better. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so it's a shower cap, you know, created for Macy's, so I'm assuming that nobody else has this particular variation. So, hey guys, the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to my Whole Foods beauty bag that we had a couple weeks back. This person has 48 hours to contact me. And yeah, congratulations. Now, back to the video. Let's recap. We have the shower cap. Okay, we have the Mary Badescu Coconut Body Scrub, which you could use a little bit of this and then go in with the Clarins Firming Cream. So there you go. There's a match right there that I would use those two together. And then we have the Mineral Fusion, which I'm very happy to get. I have now 2 bottles and a half because I was almost out of the one. Love this nail polish remover. That's what's up. And then we have the Rituals of Sakura. Okay, that is the main meat and potatoes. And let's not forget the little sample of the Clean Rain, which I do like, and I would not mind purchasing a full size. Perhaps I'll use that $10 off coupon to buy it. That would be cool. It would be only $34 then. And then we have the red wine from Tony Moly, the sheet mask. The retail value of this box is quite low, I will say. Now, I know they can't make a $100 box every single time, but let me know all your thoughts and comments down below. I have some thoughts on it. I mean, it's not a bad box, but it's definitely not my favorite box. So there are all the products right there. I will take a picture for Instagram and put it up over there. As always, guys, I just want to remind you, if you have not yet joined the family, and by that I mean hitting that button down below, turning the S word to gray, please do so. I would love to have you. It's a wonderful place to hang out. And yeah, we just be ourselves over here. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. It would really help your girl out. And like always, please remember, if you are going through something, please talk about it, share about it, get it off your mind. It can always help to bring things to the surface and work through them. Just by talking about them could ease your mind. Also, if you're asked to listen, please do that. You can absolutely help somebody. And in this crazy mixed up world, guys, to all my loved ones all across the globe, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya!